So next we're going to be doing the cap, rotor, spark plugs, and spark plug wires on the Az1, and this is not fun because this is such a small work area right here. I would consider this probably harder than swapping out, say, the downpipes on my Genesis. So you got one wire right here. This goes to the coil, all right, and that goes inside here somewhere. And then I need to take out the little covers right here for the what do you call it, the spark plug right here, and it's buried deep in there, and this is giant thing right here, and you could barely fit my hands. So on the table right here we got the new cap, an old cap, and then the old wires. All right, so first thing we're going to do is add a little bit of dielectrical grease inside here. You guys might be wondering what the dielectrical grease stuff is. It's just to prevent any corrosion from working its way into these things. So kind of looks like this. All right, this is by Loctite. This is obviously optional, but it's just something that I do preventative. And then this guy, pop them right here. If you don't know the firing order, because these wires have to go in a certain way, sometimes some of these wires will have numbers, but the best thing to do is copy the old one and you'll never get it wrong. All right, so this one right here, you just match it to see which size. Okay, so looks like this is the shorty. This is very important, don't mess this up. And then the medium length one looks like this guy, goes over here. Yep, pop them right here, and that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna copy the stock setup so they look the same. Here's why we're doing our maintenance. Look at the OEM one. See that corrosion on there? And then look at the new one. Huge difference, right? This is stuff that you won't be able to see unless you take things apart, because all these cars, they could look clean from outside, but from the inside they could be dirty. So this is the OEM brand new one.